Automotive repair centers rely heavily on WhatsApp and handwritten notes to manage jobs and parts, often leading to miscommunication, missing parts, and delayed repairs. But what if every WhatsApp message from your mechanics could instantly turn into a structured purchase order automatically? iMBrace introduces WhatsApp NetSuite purchase order automation workflow, where every unstructured WhatsApp message becomes structured, traceable data, seamlessly connected to NetSuite. A mechanic updates the team via WhatsApp, including vehicle info, diagnosis, and parts needed for the job. The iMBrace AI will automatically extract all details and structure them for processing. Once the processing is done, the extracted data will appear on the data board, cleanly organized for every vehicle and job order. From there, a purchase order is instantly created in NetSuite, allowing your admin team to review and confirm vendor details. iMBrace empowers automotive service centers with AI, turning every message into structured, intelligent operations. Now it's your turn. Experience automation for automotive repair and maintenance with iMBrace. Schedule your demo today.